A friend of mine just brought in this turntable, and oh my, if I would have found this one on a second-hand sale or in a garage sale, I would have never picked it up. The only bright thing about the whole thing is the speakers that we have here. Early Philips two-way speakers. They will not be the best speakers in the world, but they look nice. They look really, they have this vintage look, and they will at least be okay. But the turntable, that is a big mess. What we see here is that the armrest is broken. It's not turning at all if I turn it on, so the whole thing turns on but the table doesn't work. I can barely move the platter here. There is so much resistance and I don't know how to deal with that. And I'm going to take off the platter now. Where is the belt? I don't even know if the belt is glued away and sticking somewhere. I think it is because of the tough resistance on here, or if it has been removed. I know from experience, because I have another Philips turntable with the same belt size, that it will be difficult for me to get a replacement belt on my with the usual suspects. So this doesn't look too good. If it wouldn't have been a friend who brought this table in belonging to his father, I would never have touched this. But now I'm going to give it a try, at least assess what's defect and how much it will cost in parts to fix this table. I'm not going to ask any money for the time I spent. It's my hobby after all, and it's a friend. But if it's, I wonder if it's worth restoring this table at all. The concept is rather nice. It's a turntable with amplifier included, and there is some options there. You can choose between T, which I think stands for a radio tuner, a tape deck, and a turntable. There are some buttons to reduce rumble and scratch. I'll have to check what it is, but probably it's a low and high pass filter. Treble and bass tone controls, to balance the volume, and a a balance meter. I first thought this was a VU meter, but it's a meter that measures between left and right. The arm lift looks like something out of hell, so if I move it up, or even worse, move it down, this thing smashes. The on-off button is in good condition, and I've already checked here the 3345 mechanism works too, but I guess I'll have a tough time getting this in a decent mode.